Hey everyone, frustrated with MLB TV, playback errors on your phone, smart TV, or browser? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it quickly and get back to watching the game. So, the first fix is restart the app or browser. So, first of all, close the MLB app completely or shut down your browser, reopen it, and try again. This simple step often clears up temporary streaming issues. And the fix number two is clear cache and data on mobile. Go to your settings, apps, then MLB, storage, then clear cache and clear data. On browser, clear cache and cookies or try incognito mode. And after that, the third fix solution is check for updates. Open the App Store or Google Play and make sure your MLB app is fully updated. Outdated versions can trigger playback errors. And the last fix is you can test your internet, like make sure your internet speed is at least 5 Mbps for smooth streaming and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and see if that helps. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.